I've dedicated considerable amounts of effort to sift through hundreds of strategies, removing the chaff and bringing you the kernels of proven actionable strategies. Today we'll unravel one such strategy that's been optimized for the Ethereum 4-hour chart, and in the last 30 days I've been using it, and it's made me a cozy and reliable 5.87% return so far. And when looking at the backtesting statistics without even compounding, the numbers are 638% profitable, which is a number that beats buy and hold return by 150%. So I feel like this is worth your time to watch all the way through to the end of the video. And I've made this strategy available for the VIP subscribers in one click at wop.com/trade tactics. Just register for the $25 tier above and you'll immediately be granted access. I'll also leave the basic version of this code, the one without the advanced filters, just the bare skeleton to understand how it all functions in my Discord server and Telegram group for completely free. I'll leave the links to all of these down in the description and in a pinned comment at the top of the comment section. But while you're at my WOP link, you grab a free trial of the Wolfpack Pro indicator, which is an extremely good and reliable backtested and optimized indicator that I designed and developed. The ability to separate fact from fiction when it comes to trading is indispensable, especially when it comes to designing advanced trading algorithms that handle extremely large order sizes. The vast world of crypto is brimming with alleged working strategies, and the challenge lies in determining which ones are credible and which ones are fake strategies. Before we get into it today, I'd like to take a moment to ask you to consider hitting the subscribe button, as it takes a lot of work putting together these videos. So because it's so easy for you to do and so meaningful for me, please also hit that bell notification icon as well, so you're notified exactly when I upload now. Trading strategies can feel more like a relentless quest for elusive gold. The countless hours spent scrutinizing, evaluating, and sifting through what often seems like an endless sea of strategies, I've often found myself questioning whether I was simply chasing fool's gold. Were these strategies anything more than cleverly spun narratives with no real substance? After trawling through hundreds of such strategies, however, my tenacity finally paid off when I unearthed a unique and truly valuable tactic, the Gaussian strategy. This trading strategy demonstrated its efficacy through some rigorous application and testing, and unlike the multitude of hollow strategies that fill the cryptosphere, the Gaussian strategy operates on an interesting blend of technical analysis and statistical methods. It uses a robust Gaussian filter to smooth price data, providing clear insights into how the underlying market trends amidst the volatile noise of price fluctuation. Coupled with this, it also implements signal generation, trade filters, and predefined stop loss and take profit levels. These components combine together to form a comprehensive, well-rounded strategy that facilitates efficient and effective trading. Armed with this, I tuned it for the terrain of the Ethereum 4-hour chart, which is a tractable trading environment with a substantial amount of liquidity to play with. This is a practical, actionable strategy that stands out as a nugget of gold in a sea of mundane pebbles throughout the cryptosphere. Just a heads up before we dive in, the strategy you're about to see is one that I've also uploaded to Pinex to anybody to copy for completely free, with all of the advanced technical indicators included. To access it, be sure you sign up for Pinex using my referral link conveniently located in this video's description and in the pinned comment. You get access to a whole host of other VIP strategies for completely free as well by using that referral link, so make sure you use it. You also help support the channel by doing so, and you lose nothing. You're just a few clicks away from replicating the strategy to test out for yourself. As I described earlier, the Gaussian strategy is an efficient PineScript code specifically designed to trade the ETH 4-hour chart. It analyzes market dynamics and identifies optimal entry and exit points. So let's navigate this code together to ensure you have a solid grasp of how it works and how you can implement it in your trading routine. The first part of this indicator involves the N-pole Gaussian filter and smoothing. Picture you're looking at a line graph representing data like the Ethereum price. This line may have sharp ups or downs, making it tough to see the overall trend, but the N-pole Gaussian filter is my magic smoothing iron that I use to iron out these bumps and highlight the trends much more clearly. Next, we have the signal generation part. This refers to the automatic generation of buy or sell signals. Think of this like the automated strategy sending signals directly to Pinex or to the crypto exchange to trade on your behalf. You could also set alerts using these signals so that you could come to the charts and be there when the action is happening. The other trade filters include the date and time range, effectively limiting my trading backtesting windows so I could choose specific time periods for when I want to test. So I could test to see how it performs during the last bull market or the big bear market that we just had. For protective measures, I've also set a stop loss and take profit levels. Stop loss level is a predetermined price, which I will sell ETH if the price starts to plummet, limiting the loss. And the take profit level is the converse, the price that I'm going to sell if the price statistically hits that level consistently. I want to take profit in that sweet spot, locking in the profit. Script can show these levels on the chart as well, with potential losses in red and potential gains in green. So I've included a version without the bonus trade filters as a full open source code located in my free Discord server, no strings attached. It's really just a great community of traders looking to get an edge in algorithmic and AI trading market. Discord is also one of the best apps to communicate and share critical information with one another, so I highly recommend the app. Simply click the Discord link down below to join the Trade Tactics server and then navigate to the Working Scripts text tab. And the first post has all of my free open source scripts. I've put the Gaussian strategy right here at the bottom of it. Just download the code by clicking the button on the right and then copy all of it, navigate to TradingView's Pine editor page. I'll leave a link to sign up for TradingView Pro at a discount down below, then paste it into a completely blank page by deleting all of the filler and default code page. Then once you hit save, it should not have any errors. If you got an error, then you did not copy the code correctly, or you did not paste it into a completely blank Pine editor page. Then once it saves correctly, hit save and add to chart. Upon applying the Gaussian filter to the ETH 4-hour chart, you'll start receiving signals indicating the ideal points the strategy predicts long or short trades. You can backtest exactly how the strategy performs in all types of market conditions. The strength of this indicator and strategy is its adaptability. It swiftly adjusts to market fluctuations and continuously provides reliable signals even under very volatile conditions when novice traders might normally get washed out of the market. To fully leverage the Gaussian filter strategy, I follow these simple steps. First, I'll install the script in my Pine editor page as I just described, then navigate to the Ethereum 4-hour chart with the strategy on the screen. Now I'm going to be monitoring the signals from the filter. They're going to guide me for the most opportune entry and exit points. Then if I want to automate it, I can go one step further by utilizing the Pinex platform to clone the strategy. I'll show you how to do that right now. First, register for Pinex using the referral link in the top comment pinned to the very top of the comment section or in the description of the video to unlock access to a portfolio of signals. Now remember, if you're from a restricted region like the US, you're not allowed to trade derivatives. Although, and I'm not recommending this, I've heard of people using a VPN when they register to theoretically get around that. After signing up for Pinex from an allowed region, navigate to the More tab, click on Pinex GPT, and this takes us to an AI system that you can use to help code strategies for you, just like ChatGPT. I'll click on the second tab here and click on the GPT Marketplace. They may update this by moving this marketplace to the main header tab, but for now, this is how you get to the marketplace where all of my strategies are hosted. Scroll down to the Gaussian strategy, and there you have it. You can allocate the investment amount when you're comfortable. Just be sure to manage your own risk. With the Gaussian filter strategy at my disposal, the Ethereum chart becomes far less daunting and more like a navigatable terrain. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell notification icon to get notified about some big strategies that I'm working on right now that I can't wait to share with you. Your feedback also really supports this channel. I encourage you to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments section down below. Until next time, see ya.